Xiaomi 13 Pro flagship is totally dead due to the complete absence of IP68 rating, as we saw in the previous water test video. Though in this video, we can still drop test the 13 Pro to see if the ceramic back, the Victus display protection and the aluminum edges are able to handle hard drop impacts. The Mi 11 Ultra had suffered AMOLED display shatter. The AMOLED was fine, but the Victus suffered shatter due to the design not able to handle the massive 234 grams weight. The ceramic back though did great and survived. So how is the Xiaomi 13 Pro going to handle the hard drops with the same body materials?
First low drop at the ceramic back. No issues or breaks as yet. Second low drop on the E6 OLED display. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is able to survive both critical low drops without any issues. First high drop on the bottom. Will the metal edges protect the 13 Pro? A slight visible scar at the left metal side. Next, the second high drop at the important top side. This time, no marks or scars like on the bottom. Let's also drop it on the sides. Third drop, left side. It lands more on the ceramic back, yet still the ceramic back holds its own. Next, fourth drop on the right side. Again it lands more towards the ceramic backside and there seems to be no damage. Next, moving on to the danger drops, fifth drop on the back ceramic, and the flagship 50 megapixel triple camera system. There seem to be some breaks at the side of the camera system, almost invisible at first sight. We'll get back to that later. Now, the last finale danger drop you have been waiting for on the E6 LTPO display. Will it also fail and shatter like the Mi 11 Ultra? Let's drop it. Oh no, history seems to have repeated itself. The Victus fails again, just like the Mi 11 Ultra did.
I guess the heavier weight of the Xiaomi 13 Pro simply won't help in drops, as the Victus protection tends to shatter easily on hard surfaces. The ceramic back also hasn't been that lucky to make it like the Mi 11 Ultra, as it breaks at two separate places. It is not a good idea to use the flagship Xiaomi 13 Pro naked.